Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veg Recipes Blogspot. Today I am going to show you how to make Mysore Pak, one of the favorite dessert or sweet in South India. Ingredients for Mysore Pak, one of the South Indian dessert, famous dessert. 1 cup of besan gram or besan flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of oil. You can put 1.5 cup of oil and half cup of ghee. It's as per your taste. You can put 2 cups of oil also. So we are using 1.5 cups of oil and half cup of ghee. So total 2 cups. 1.5 cups of sugar and 1 cup of besan flour and 2 cups of oil plus ghee. We are greasing the plate and keeping ready to put the Mysore Pak finally. So we have to grease the plate like this and keep aside. As soon as it gets finished, you can pour in this one. Mysore Pak, famous dessert in South India. You are going to add in the pan the sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar. You are going to add water until the sugar immerses. See, this is sufficient. This water is sufficient. I'm going to switch on the flame. You have to make a sugar syrup of string consistency for this one. We are preparing the sugar syrup. So you can keep oil and ghee mixture. The flame, it should be in sim flame. As soon as this mixture get ready, that will also be ready. It should be in medium hot at the time. Sugar syrup is get boiling now. It should be on string consistency. At that stage only you have to add the besan flour. See this consistency, we have to add the besan flour. And flour little by little and mix it. You have to mix it up without lumps. It will go, lumps will go automatically. Don't worry about the lumps. So lumps will go. This is the stage. It should be in sim flame. So we have to mix properly so the lumps will go. The mixture should be boiled. Bubbles will come. At the time you have to add the ghee oil mixture, scoop by scoop. Now the bubbles are started coming. See, it started coming. This is the stage we have to add the oil ghee mixture. We're going to add the mixture, oil ghee mixture, scoop by scoop. Add one time. This mixture should absorb this one completely. Then you can add next one. It should absorb the thing which we have added. Then the next scoop. Add scoop by scoop like this. See, it should be. We have to add scoop by scoop. Let the mixture mix together. Let the mixture absorb this one. See. So on the final stage now, getting ready. Going to transfer this one to the pan. It has to be in this stage. You're going to cut these ones. First cut slightly. No need for the deep cut. You have to wait for 10 minutes, then we have to cut. So I have to cut like this. Leave it for 10 minutes after that, and I have to cut again. Mysore pak is ready now. We're going to remove. See, it comes piece by piece. Wow! Mysore pak, the famous dessert in South India, from Veg Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.